Most people compare cash advance apps based on maximum limits. But here's the truth no one tells you. When you actually need emergency money, speed matters more than almost everything else. And in 2026, users are increasingly choosing between Albert and Chime MyPay for one simple reason. They want the fastest possible access to cash before payday. In this video, I'll compare Albert and Chime MyPay directly. Explain which one may deliver money faster, why transfer timing varies between users, the biggest mistakes that slow everything down, and the hidden banking factor most people completely ignore. And later, I'll show you the smartest way to improve transfer speed, no matter which platform you use. So let's get straight into it. First, let's answer the core question clearly. Which gives you money faster, Albert or Chime MyPay? The honest answer is, it depends heavily on your banking setup, direct deposit structure, transfer method, and account history. That surprises many people. They expect one universal winner. But fintech transfer timing is heavily personalized now. Now here's where most people fail. They think the app alone controls deposit speed. It doesn't. Your bank, payment processing systems, transfer rails, verification quality, and timing of the request all matter significantly. This is critical. Now let's make this practical. Imagine Jake requests money late Friday evening, using an account with slower transfer compatibility. Even if approval happens quickly, the actual deposit timing may still lag because of back-end banking systems. Now compare that to Alex, whose account has stable direct deposits and strong fintech integration. Alex may receive funds much faster under similar conditions. That difference matters enormously. Now let's discuss Albert first. Albert often combines budgeting tools, account tracking, and cash advance functionality into one ecosystem. Transfer timing can vary depending on bank compatibility, verification quality, and transfer method selected. And honestly, this variability explains why online experiences look so inconsistent. Some users report very fast access. Others experience delays tied to banking infrastructure. Now here's where things get interesting. Chime MyPay operates differently because it's connected more closely to the Chime ecosystem and direct deposit environment. For users already deeply integrated into Chime's banking setup, transfers may feel smoother and faster in certain situations. But here's the problem. Not every user has the same banking structure or deposit behavior. That changes outcomes dramatically. Now in a minute, I'll show you the hidden factor that often matters more than the app itself. But first, let's discuss direct deposit because this is huge. Both systems strongly benefit from predictable recurring deposits. Why? Because direct deposits create stronger income verification, repayment confidence, and transfer reliability. This is one reason users with stable payroll deposits often experience smoother functionality overall. Now here's where most people fail again. They use secondary accounts, inconsistent deposits, or fragmented income systems across multiple apps. That weakens visibility. The strongest results usually come from clean, stable banking behavior. Now let's discuss weekends because this area matters enormously. Weekend processing can affect both platforms differently depending on bank cutoffs, payment networks, and processing schedules. And honestly, many users only realize this during emergencies. Just because an app approves funds does not always mean your bank posts them instantly. That distinction is critical. Now here's where things get interesting again. Users with established account history often experience smoother performance compared to brand new users. Stable deposits, healthy balances, and successful repayment patterns help build trust over time. This applies across most fintech ecosystems today. Now let's talk about the hidden factor I mentioned earlier. Your bank itself may determine transfer speed more than the app. That surprises many people. Some banks integrate extremely well with fintech systems. Others create slower posting timelines. This affects deposit timing, verification speed, and transaction visibility. And honestly, many users blame the app when the real bottleneck exists inside traditional banking infrastructure. Now here's where most people fail once again. They wait until the absolute last second before requesting money. That strategy creates unnecessary stress because no fintech platform can guarantee perfect timing across every banking system every single time. Preparation matters. Now let's compare another important factor. User experience. Some people prefer Albert because of the broader financial management ecosystem. Others prefer Chime MyPay because they already operate heavily inside Chime's banking environment. And honestly, familiarity can improve perceived speed because fewer setup steps create smoother usage. Now here's where things get interesting. For users already receiving payroll direct deposits through Chime, MyPay may feel particularly streamlined because the ecosystem already understands deposit timing patterns clearly. That integration advantage matters. But again, outcomes vary by user profile. Now, let's discuss the smartest way to improve transfer speed, regardless of platform. Simple. Use a highly active primary checking account with stable direct deposits, healthy balances, fewer overdrafts, and consistent transaction activity. That creates stronger system confidence and smoother functionality overall. Now here's another mistake users make. Ignoring verification quality. Outdated bank credentials, syncing problems, incomplete identity verification, or fragmented account activity can all slow transfers significantly. Small technical issues matter more than people realize. Now let's answer the practical question viewers actually care about. Which should you choose? If you already use Chime heavily with stable payroll deposits, Chime MyPay may feel extremely convenient and integrated. If you want broader financial tracking and budgeting tools alongside advanced flexibility, Albert may feel more appealing. But actual speed depends heavily on your financial setup quality. That's the key takeaway. Now before we finish, let's summarize clearly. Which gives money faster? Albert or Chime MyPay? There is no guaranteed universal winner. Transfer speed depends mostly on bank compatibility, direct deposit consistency, account history, verification quality, and request timing. That's the honest answer most comparison videos oversimplify. Now here's the most important takeaway. The fastest fintech experiences usually happen when users maintain stable, predictable banking behavior long before emergencies occur. That's the hidden rule behind smoother approvals and faster transfers. So here's the bottom line. Albert and Chime MyPay can both provide fast financial flexibility in 2026, but actual speed depends far more on your banking setup and account stability than marketing promises alone. The smartest users focus on building strong financial infrastructure first, instead of relying entirely on emergency transfer timing. That's what creates the best long-term experience. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with which app has delivered money fastest for you, personally. And if you want, I can also compare Albert, Chime MyPay, Dave, and Earnin side by side for fees, approval flexibility, and weekend transfer speed.